Okay, it's Dr. Linder. Welcome. We're looking at the menstrual cycle board. So what's taking place here, these different phases, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, is what's taking place in the ovary. Okay, so when we look here, we'll see we have the vaginal canal. This is the uterus. This is the cervix. This is the cervix. The indentated areas here and here are the fornix. Here is the endometrium, myometrium, and the perimetrium. Fallopian tube or ovarian tube, same thing. These are the fimbriae. Here's the ovary. So inside the ovary, we have these different phases. So we have the oocyte in yellow here, and then in B, we have the primary follicle with the oocyte with granulosa cells. And then here in C, we have the Graafian follicle with granulosa cells. And this is the antrum that's filling up with follicular fluid. And when the pressure builds up, and builds up, this takes place, which is ovulation. So it ovulated out the egg, okay? And what we're left with is the corpus hemorrhagium. And then F is the corpus luteum. And then here you're left with the corpus albicans. Now here there's a hormone that spiked called luteinizing hormone that created ovulation. And then the corpus luteum, this is going to produce progestin or progesterone to help maintain a pregnancy. Okay, and those are some of the main structures that you should be familiar with. Here, follicular stimulating hormone was creating all this follicular fluid that was building up the pressure. Here, luteinizing hormone was spiking that created ovulation. And when this ovulates, what's going to end up happening is the fimbriae are going to scoop up the egg, so the egg moves in this direction. All of those microvilli are going to be beating rhythmically in this direction, whereas the sperm were coming in this direction to meet the egg. So that fertilization takes place here, and then the egg, which is fertilized, should sweep back here and implant itself into the uterus.